In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $9,757 with this email marketing for beginners strategy tutorial. And we're going to do that in just a few steps. And believe me, this is going to blow your mind because your guru that you are following not telling you that. So before we continue, make sure to hit that subscription button and the notification button because I'm going to be making more videos on how to make money, and believe me, you don't want to miss them. So let's go to work. Email marketing for beginners tutorial. I just want to let you know before I get going that I'm not going to be selling you any course. Unlike any other YouTube channels where they give a plugin at the end or beginning of the video. The reason I'm doing this is because when I first got started, nobody was there to help me. Everybody wanted to sell me a course. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and get going. I just don't want you to be scared that, hey, you have to buy a course. Let's talk about the first one. Number one, bulletproof email marketing tips for delivering your email to your prospects' email inbox. Inbox, not somewhere else. Number two, how to make money email marketing that 98% of the marketers don't know about. Number three, how to optimize your email marketing conversion. Of course, there's a disclaimer here. I'm not promising you will be making money, but people that I actually mentored, when they put this in what I'm about to give you in place, they start to see an increase of over $9,000. Of course, I'm not promising that you will get that, but this is what happened. They start to see that, and I'm going to share that with you right now. Email marketing for beginners. Before start sending a single email, you have to do things before you start sending any emails. A lot of people don't do that. They just grab things and go. The first thing is that you have to have a niche. The riches in the niches, you have to understand that. The reason for that is because it's going to make your life much easier instead of jumping from one niche to the other. Number two, autoresponder. You have to have an autoresponder in order for you to be successful. And I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to tell you why in just a little bit. Number three, pre-written. Let me go back. Pre-written emails. Now you're probably wondering, well, number one, a niche. I don't have a niche. Number two, autoresponder. Number three, pre-written emails. Well, you know what? I have all these covered for you and I can give them to you free of charge. As far as the niche, I have over 27 niches and sub niches that you can use, that we use on a regular basis. You can have them. I don't mind. Number two, autoresponder. I'm going to give you the same autoresponder that I use up to 1,000 subscribers. There is no time limit on that. All you have to do is ask for it. And number three, pre-written emails. I'm going to show you where to get the pre-written emails. And all you have to do on all these three, if you want them, you have to request them. And you have to request them in the comment area below. And I'll be more than happy to give them to you. Obviously, you have to be a subscriber and a supporter of this channel. Email marketing for beginners secret reveals. On average, only 4 to 7% have a cart conversion or sales. What I mean by that is when you are sending people to the sales page, it doesn't matter what sales page is, do not expect a lot of them going to buy. Do not expect that, because if you expect that, your confidence is going to go down, and you don't want to do that. You want your confidence to be very high. So I'm telling you that expect between 4 and 7, and sometimes if you are starting new, it's gonna be less than that. Number two, when most sales happen, you have to ask where most sales happen. The most sales happen not in the first time that you are presenting the promotion or whatever you're trying to sell, whether email marketing, whether in your email marketing campaign. The first thing happened during the email marketing series that you send to the customer. This is where most of your sales are gonna take place. Not in the initial process when you send your prospect to the sales page. Most of them are not going to buy, and this is expected. So now we know that during the email marketing series that you send, this is where your sales happen. So you need to be able to craft a very good series in a strategic way, which I'm going to show you in this video. So make sure you're not skipping, because when you skip, you're going to have a lot of questions and confusion will take place, believe me. So basically, when I give you this email autoresponder that I actually use, whatever they opt in, they're going to opt in, they're going to go in here, and then after that, you're going to be communicating with them on a regular basis through emails. But it have to have a strategy. You cannot do certain things. You cannot do what 98% of all affiliate marketers or online marketers do in email marketing, period. Email marketing for beginners success strategy. This is what success is all about. Most people, when they are advertising or they are trying to promote their product, they do it usually on social media for free. And they send people to bridge page, opt-in page, and they send them to the affiliate sales page. Now you probably wondered, well, I don't do that. Why should I send it to a bridge page? Why not send it to an opt-in page? Well, the reason for that is because I created this hack right here that you can actually have. All you have to do is ask for it, and you can have that. You can use it for anything that you want to. If you can see here right there, it says automated. I had it automated. In other words, the people don't have to do much. All they have to do is just click once, and then they're going to end up in a sales page. As you can tell, there's an opt-in area in here. The reason for that is because you want to get their email address. You can follow up with them, because we know now that not most of the sales takes place when they first get to the sales or the affiliate sales page, in case you are selling affiliate products. Like I mentioned, go to the email marketing autoresponder. You're going to be sending them some emails to get them back to where? To that sales page, right? Right. But there is a little trick here that I added to this. And then in case you want that, you let me know, because a lot of people having complaints when they are sending people to the affiliate sales page through their email marketing autoresponder. They are getting banned. They're having their account shut down. You want to avoid that, and you can do that by a simple strategy and a hack that I have created, and you can have it. You want to send them to your own WordPress. WordPress is a free website. Hosting is not. I'm going to leave some information in there in the description area. So click on that so you'll see how to get the hosting that most successful affiliates use, because you don't want to use any type of hosting that is complicated. I want you to understand this point. When you send in people to your own domain, almost impossible for the autoresponder company or email autoresponder company to close your account. Why? Because not everybody is sending it to the affiliate sales page that everybody else is using. A lot of affiliate email marketers, what they do, they spam that page. The email marketing autoresponder knows that. So when they notice you are sending your prospect that they have to a known spammed page, so you want to have it under your own domain. Optimize email marketing conversion. You have to understand that as well, so you'll be able to do a lot of things with that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just use the same thing here as a reference. As you know, we're gonna put the affiliate sales page. Now the affiliate sales page is gonna be the same exact one that the product creator have created. Nothing is gonna be different, but it's gonna be on your website. Let's go ahead and talk about the opt-in. Obviously, when they opt in, it goes to the autoresponder that I said I'm gonna give to you for free. You got to pay attention here. This is where the magic is. Please pay attention to this. Email number 1. A lot of people don't know about this trick, and I think you're one of them. Well, 99% of the people don't know about this trick. But here's the thing. The first email that you send, do not send anything. All you want to do is a question. Let's say you're in a weight loss. Ask a question that requires an answer. When you ask a question, let's say the first email asking, what is the most challenging thing that you find in losing weight? So what they do, number one, they think, oh, you're trustworthy. You're not selling me anything. So I'm going to tell you what my challenge is. And when they send that back to you, the AI, which is artificial intelligence inside the email marketing autoresponder knows that these people are communicating with you. So when they are sending emails back to you, the email marketing autoresponder like that, and they know you're not spamming because they are talking to you. They're sending emails back to you. And this is one of the things that you should train your autoresponder with that. Now I do it, and I do a little bit more complex things. We usually have it in two types of email series. So you want to have a value email series, stage one, and then we have value email series. When you are sending the first one, and we talk about that, when you send the second one, third one, and the fourth one, you're not too hard on selling. You want to provide a value to your customers, because when you do that, you become their friend, and you become your trusted friend, and most people buy from somebody that they trust. When you deliver value, where would you get that value from? Where would you get these things from that you would send to your prospects? Whoever made this product have a lot of information. Some of it is in the email and some of it is in the sales page. So don't push too much in series number one. Series number two, you want to up it a notch. After all, you want to sell. Email marketing tips. What type of emails to send? And here's the one. The first email is introduction. Ask a question. No links. No trying to sell anything. Email number two, email value benefits. You want to provide value, benefits, and have a link to sales, but one in the bottom in case you're interested. They will jump on that. And then third and fourth email, just value and benefits. Do not even try to sell anything. If you want to put a small link in the bottom, that's fine, but do not push too much. There's a reason why. Fifth email, value, benefit, link to sales page on the fifth one. And then 5 and 7th emails, value, benefits, and go a little bit more on the sales page. In other words, put 2 links or maximum of 3. One of them would be in the bottom. If they didn't buy by the 7th or 8th or 10th email, they're not gonna buy. You wanna try to sell them something different. I gave you everything in here. This is worth thousands of dollars. A lot of people don't know that. It's tested. We know exactly how it works, and we measured everything. So what I'm giving you right now is like a course that worth $1,000. Again, I'm not selling you anything. All you gotta do is become supporter of this channel so I can continue giving you information like this, something of value. Email marketing tutorial, how to drive targeted traffic to your landing pages. Without traffic, you have nothing. Free traffic is the #1 source, and I encourage everybody to do free traffic. Why not? It goes to the landing page. Unfortunately, free traffic is a slow traffic. This is the way it is. There's nothing we can do about that. This is the way it is. It's just a free traffic, but it's slow because there's always somebody ahead of you. If you did 10 posts, somebody had 50 posts. So what do you want? You want a 24 targeted traffic that will actually send people who are looking for exactly of what you are selling, whether it's in the fitness industry or something else. So when you do that, you send them, of course, you have free traffic, targeted traffic, and what happens? You'll make more money that way, and you build your list much faster this way because of the simple fact you are doing something that most affiliate marketers not doing at all, or online marketers. So take advantage of it. I'm going to have the link in the description, and take advantage of it. If you want to make $500 a day with a free email marketing funnel, click up here. If you want to know everything about Instagram and how to do it and build your empire with Instagram, all you have to do is click right here, because this is a free training that you can take advantage of. And as usual, I will see you at the top.